Hi, this is Lisa B, and today we're talking about ChatGPT, which is an exciting new artificial intelligence. There are some people that are absolutely over the moon excited about it, and there are others that are concerned about it. Some of the concerns are what is it going to be like for schooling and things like that. That's something that they are looking at. Google is looking at to being able to identify whether or not artificial intelligence has written something. So there's all sorts of things that are in the background about that. However, what I do want to talk about is the things that we could use it for. So I was sitting here today thinking, there's real estate agents out there that haven't really got anybody to talk to. They're not part of the real estate club. They've got no mentoring. They've got no training, anything like that. And sometimes you just want to talk to somebody and get some advice. Now, just the same as when you get advice off somebody, sometimes you take it on board and sometimes you don't. Now, I just thought, now, if I was asking ChatGPT for advice, what would they tell me? So I'm just going into ChatGPT here. Now, obviously the technology is going to get better and better and better, but I just thought, for that situation where somebody's sitting there going, okay, this situation's happened. What am I going to do? What do I say? So I've just put in a little example here. So I've just, oh gosh, okay, that didn't work. Now it's going to be, I am a real estate agent. I did cut and paste something, but it didn't work. I'm a real estate agent. I have a sale that has just fallen through, and I have to tell the owner, please write me a script that I can deliver personally to the seller. They will be upset, and I feel terrible. Okay, now let's see what ChatGPT says. It's actually writing a script. I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to reach out to you in regards to the sale of your property. Unfortunately, I have some difficult news to share with you. The sale of your property has fallen through. I understand that this is a difficult situation and that you have put a lot of effort and time into the sale of your property. I want to assure you that I'm here to support you and to answer any questions you may have. I'll be more than happy to schedule a time to meet with you in person to discuss your options and to come up with a plan moving forward. I understand that this is a disappointing situation, but I'm confident that we'll be able to find a solution that works for you. Thank you for understanding and entrusting me with the sale of your property. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Now let's change that a little bit and see what else it comes up with. Okay, we're going to change this question a little bit. ChatGPT is dependent on how well you ask the question. Okay. Okay. So I'm a real estate agent. I have a sale that's just fallen through, and I have to tell the owner. The buyers are not proceeding anymore. Please don't skip that I can give the seller. They were upset and I feel terrible. Let's see what else it says here. So I hope this message finds you well. I want to reach out regarding sale of the property. Better when the buyers have decided to proceed with the sale. I understand this news may be disappointing. I want to ensure that I'm here to support you when I can. More than happy to discuss your options and come up with a plan moving forward. It's important to note that the real estate market is constantly changing and that there are often multiple reasons why a sale may fall through. I'm confident that we'll be able to find a new buyer for your property who will see its value and potential. If you have any questions or if there's anything I can do to support you, please don't help to reach out to me. I'm here to help you in any way I can. Thank you for understanding and trusting me with the sale of your property. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Now, if ever you have a sale fall through, you don't send a text message or anything like that. You go and physically see the people unless they're overseas or something like that, and there's no way that you can do a Zoom or whatever. Personal is always better. But what I'm trying to do here is just get some scripts that you can say, and there might be a sentence in there that might just be the right thing to say to that person. So I'm a real estate agent, have a sale just fallen through, have to tell the owner. I'm going to say, please design a text that I can send the owner. I feel terrible. I am still very positive. I can find a buyer. Okay, let's see what it says here. I hope this message finds you well. I want to update and sell your property. Unfortunately, the sale has fallen through at this time. I understand this news may be disappointing, but I want to assure you that I'm still very positive about finding a buyer for your property. The real estate market is constantly changing, and there are many reasons why a sale may not proceed. I'm committed to working with you on finding a solution that meets your needs. If you have any questions or if there's anything I can do to support you, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you for trusting me as your real estate. I look forward to speaking with you soon and finding a positive outcome for you. Now, that's a sample there. Now, let's put in, say, an ad, house for sale in Runaway Bay, 5 bedrooms on the water, I'll say 3 living areas, large pontoon, minutes from shopping centres. Please just say write me an advertisement. Live the ultimate waterfront lifestyle in Runaway Bay. The stunning 5-bedroom house boasts breathtaking views of the water and is only minutes away from shopping centres, featuring 3 spacious living areas and a large pontoon. This property is perfect for those who love to entertain. Enjoy sun-filled days in the water or lounge on an expansive desk while taking in the breathtaking scenery. The open-plan kitchen and dining area are perfect for hosting dinner parties and intimate gatherings, and the 5-bedroom provide ample space for family and guests. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise in a highly sought-after neighbourhood of Runaway Bay. Contact us to schedule a viewing and take the first step forwards to your dream waterfront lifestyle. Now, there is talk that Google may penalise us for using ChatGPT, but it might be something that you get this and reword it and swap it around and whatever. So if you've got a bit of a mental blank, that's written an ad very, very quickly. So there's lots of different ways that you can use ChatGPT. I'd love to hear your thoughts about what you think. Have you used it? What are you thinking about it? And yeah, we'd love to know.